Hello everybody, I hope you're doing fine. Today's session is on present simple of the verb prepare. Com a eshte, efolies, përgatis. So the verb prepare is basically used to prepare anything really. So generally the preparation is in the middle, so we have plan, and then we have prepare. After that we have perform. So they're all verbs in English which start with the letter P. Let's continue. I prepare, un përgatis. You prepare, ti përgatit. He prepares, ai përgatit. She prepares, it prepares. As you can see, just like in English, in he, she, and it, the form of the verb is the same. So we have përgatit, përgatit, përgatit. So it's the same. We prepare, ne përgatisim. So here you have the ending with im, përgatisim. You prepare, you përgatisni. So the ending is ni. They prepare, ata përgatisin, in. Questions? As we have said, they are do with do I prepare, do you prepare, does he prepare, does she prepare, do we prepare, do you prepare, do they prepare? And the answers are with yes, I do, or yes, basically the personal pronoun that is relevant to the each specific case. So in this case, for example, if we ask a question with do I, then the answer will be yes, I do, or yes, you do if you're talking about, the other person is talking to you. So yes, I do, no, I don't. So basically it's do and don't, and as I have said on the third person, he, she, and it is does or doesn't. Let's so in Albanian we have përgatis, a e përgatis un, I përgatit. In this case, we have përgatit in you, he, she, and it. So they're just the same. It's the same thing. So do I prepare? I përgatisun. Do you prepare? I përgatiti. Does he prepare? I përgatit ai. Does she prepare? Does it prepare? They are the same. So I përgatit ajo. I përgatit ai, ajo. As we said, that it can be used for abstract notions. It's not just for animals or for plants, basically. It could be used for abstract notions as well. Do we prepare? I përgatisim ne. Do you prepare? I përgatisni ju. Do they prepare? I përgatisin ata. Negative, I don't prepare. Unë nuk e përgatis. You don't prepare. You nuk e përgatisni. Ti nuk e përgatit for singular, and then you nuk e përgatisni for plural. So you don't prepare. Ti nuk e përgatit. He doesn't prepare. Ai nuk e përgatit. She doesn't prepare. Ajo nuk e përgatit. It doesn't prepare. Ai, ajo nuk e përgatit. We don't prepare. Ne nuk e përgatisim. You don't prepare. You nuk e përgatisni. They don't prepare. Ata nuk e përgatisni. So this was today's lesson. Shihemi në mësimin tjetër. As always, like, share, and very important, comment. Comment if you want to see any new videos. Bye bye. Take good care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye.